Once you see this appearing on your screen, it means that it's time to pair your mouse and keyboard. If you have a Magic Mouse or a Magic Keyboard, you simply need to turn them on, okay? Simply flick the switch over here like that, and usually in 2 or 5 seconds, it should be connected automatically. You see over here, the message disappeared. It simply means that it has detected and connected with your Apple Magic Mouse. But what if you're using a keyboard or maybe a mouse that is not made by Apple, like this one? It's Logitech. Well, first we need to turn this keyboard on, and then we need to put the keyboard into pairing mode. Depending on the brand, this Logitech has 3 different options over here. We can connect to 3 different devices. I simply need to select one of these, so let's say number 2. I'll keep press on it until pairing mode is activated. Unfortunately, this is not enough to connect it. What you need to do now is to take the Mac Mini, find the power button and click it 3 times. 1, 2, 3.
Place keyboard in pairing mode.
Mettez le clavier en mode de jumelage.
Mettez le clavier en mode jumelage.
Place keyboard in pairing mode.
Place keyboard 966083.
Enter code then press return. 966083.
输入配对代码，然后按下 Return 键，966083，输入配对码。
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Well, as you see here, there was a voice over that option. Unfortunately, I couldn't talk at the same time, but you only had to enter the number that was on the screen and then press the return key on your keyboard to be able to connect them. And now the keyboard is obviously connected and you can use the arrows and to type whatever you'll have to type. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.